How to add audio effects in Soundation. First of all, open Soundation and create a new project or open an existing one. Once you are in your project, locate a track where you want to add the effect. Next, click on the Add Effects button with the plus sign to open a list of available audio effects. You will find options like Reverb, Delay, Distortion, Equalizer, and more. Browse through the effects to find one that suits your needs. Once you have chosen an effect, you can adjust the settings to customize the effect to your liking. For instance, if you add reverb, you can tweak the wet and dry levels to control how much of the effect is applied. If you want to add multiple effects, you can repeat this process for different tracks or add additional effects to the same track. You can also fine-tune the effects by clicking on the settings icon next to each effect for even more control over the sound. And that's it. Now you know how to add audio effects in Soundation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.